Let me show you what to do if your Samsung phone doesn't want to properly charge anymore. Either when you insert your cable into the phone, it doesn't want to charge at all, or maybe you can't even insert it fully, so it stays out a bit and it doesn't make good contact, or also if you insert it, if you move your cable a bit, the charging stops and it's not very reliable. So the most common problem why it happens is, as you are basically placing your phone in a pocket, maybe you have a bunch of lint in your pocket, that stuff simply managed to find way in your charger port. And over time also, if you are basically plugging in and out your cable, you're going to even stuff that stuff even deeper as well. And again, eventually it's going to fully clog up and prevent this from being fully charged. However, thankfully, it's fairly easy to clean this stuff. So we are going to simply need a few basic tools, such as maybe toothbrush, maybe like a dust blower here, and the absolutely tiniest needle you can find, so like a sewing needle. But again, it has to be incredibly thin and tiny. For example, this is what the Type-C port looks like, and this is how we are going to clean it. So in the middle you have one strip which has got tiny connectors on it where the cable actually connects for data transfer and also for charging. So obviously we do not want to touch these, do not do that. So we are going to simply insert our needle in the hole and simply along the edge in a scooping motion try to get everything out, basically. Again, on the other side as well, just like that. Also, you can even maybe take a flashlight and literally inspect what's actually happening. Maybe it's your charging port. Maybe you can see straight away that there's something off. Maybe there's something already off with this phone. So the way we are going to clean it. So hold your phone like this, so all the junk is able to fall out. Take your absolutely tiny needle. Also, I suggest to even turn off your phone for this step as well. For safety, I guess. And yeah, as you see, I'm inserting my needle here inside, and in a scooping motion, try to fish out whatever comes out, just like this. So again, scrape from the edge to edge, like this, and get everything out. So then move to the other side, and again, repeat. So you see, I have a bunch of stuff here. Maybe some lint from pocket, literally. So get rid of that stuff, and again, while you hold your phone like this, so it's able to fall out better. Yeah, basically repeat this. And properly dislodge whatever is inside in that hole. And then after that, another good tool is like a blower like this, or any other way how to blow inside. So position nearby and literally just blow inside. That will force all the tiniest bits that might be inside there to fly out. Also, another good tool is simply like a fairly rough toothbrush. So we can insert inside and again dislodge all the tiny particles from the port of the phone. So again, properly brushed out here. And again, follow up with any way how to blow inside to get rid of all the junk. But yeah, so the sewing needle again is really the best tool for this job. If you do not have one, maybe you can blow with your mouse, I guess. But again, obviously, yeah, be careful. Again, this tool costs maybe like $1. You can even sometimes find them in a pharmacy. So again, works for any Samsung Type-C ports. So again, on any regular phones, Ultra, or whatever you have. So all of them have Type-C. Also, make sure to inspect the quality of your cable. If you check up close, so you see there's also opening on the cable itself. You can also maybe take a flashlight and shine inside and see if it's also okay. Also, these cables obviously wear down with time as well, especially around this part where the cable meets the body. So this also, yeah, sometimes actually makes them essentially go bad. So maybe it's a combination of bad cable also plus your bad charging. So also, for example, if you insert your cable inside the phone, so you see it should be very secure. So if your port is clean on your phone and also your cable is good, again, you should be even able to dangle your phone around like this. So without any problems. So again, the hold is very good if you have everything okay there. Okay, good luck.